More than 4,000 Filipinos have HIV. 89% of transmissions are caused by unprotected sex. 70% of HIV infected are mostly men. But that ends today.
HIV. What is AIDS? AIDS stands for
HIV is caused by
to the human system, whether HIV spreads through
based on the body and immune system. Knowing your HIV status.
HIV. What is HIV? HIV is an infection that attacks the body's immune system. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, or AIDS, is the most advanced stage of disease. And also, HIV targets the body's white blood cells, weakening the immune systems. This makes it easier to get sick with disease like tuberculosis, infections, and some cancers.
What is AIDS? AIDS stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. It is the final stage of HIV infection characterized by a severely weakened immune system. This condition occurs when the HIV virus has significantly damaged the immune system, making the body vulnerable to various infections and diseases.
Also, how AIDS develop. HIV attacks and destroys CD4 T cells, which are essential for a healthy immune response. As these cells are diminished, the immune system becomes less able to fight off infection. When the immune system is compromised to a certain extent, AIDS develops, making the body unable to defend itself against common infection and other serious health issues.
HIV is caused by a virus. It can spread through sexual contact, shooting of illicit drugs, or use of shared needles, and contact with infected blood.
It also can spread from parent to child during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding.
aid to the human system, whether through nutrition, supplements, vaccines, or medical treatments, can have various beneficial effects. Here are some of the ways AIDS can impact the immune system.
Nutritional support in vitamin C, mineral essential minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and iron play and roles in supporting immune function. For example, vitamin C is important for production of white blood cells, and real vitamin D helps produce
HIV spreads through unprotected sex, sharing needles, and from mother to child during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. Using condoms and avoiding shared needles can help prevent transmission.
Also, pregnant women with HIV can reduce the risk to their baby with proper medical care. Awareness and prevention are key to stop the spread of HIV.
Based on the body and immune system of HIV. HIV attacks the body's immune system, specifically the white blood cells, called CD4 cells, which are key to fighting infections.
Reduces mortality and morbidity, rates among HIV-infected people, and improves the quality of life. The benefits of ART also include the prevention of HIV and transmission by suppressing HIV replication in person living with the virus.
Knowing your HIV status protects your health and others. Testing is quick, confidential, and gives access to life-saving care. Practice safe sex, use condoms, and stay informed.